Every great leader knows that success doesn't happen by chance. It's the result of smart planning, intentional goal setting, and thoughtful delegation. In this module, we learn how to connect your team's daily work to the bigger picture, ensuring that everyone is moving in the same direction with clarity and purpose. We'll begin by exploring how to align individual and team goals with your organization's vision. Then we'll dive into real-world leadership skills of managing priorities and delegating with intention, so you can work smarter, not harder, while empowering your team to shine. This module is about more than just productivity. It's about making decisions that drive progress and lead with impact. Let's dive in and start turning plans into results. Setting goals and objectives is fundamental to effective team management. Here is why. Direction. Goals act as a compass for your team, providing clarity about where their efforts should be focused. Without defined goals, your team might work hard but lack a clear sense of purpose, leading to inefficiencies and misaligned priorities. A well-defined goal ensures that all activities contribute to the bigger picture and move the team in the right direction. For instance, if your company is launching a new product, setting a clear goal like complete market research by next month ensures everyone knows their role in the launch timeline. Also, motivation. When team members understand what they're working toward, they feel a sense of purpose and accomplishment. A goal gives them a target to aim for, and achieving it reinforces confidence and morale. For example, hitting a sales target that can energize a team, showing them the tangible results of their hard work. Motivating teams are more likely to push through challenges and maintain high productivity levels. Goals provide a benchmark for success, allowing you to track progress and identify areas for improvement. This enables both managers and team members to see how their work contributes to overall objectives. For example, if the goal is to onboard 20 new clients by the end of the quarter, you can track weekly or monthly progress and adjust strategies if needed. Clearly defined goals ensure that everyone knows their responsibilities. Each team member is aware of what is expected, making it easier to hold themselves and others accountable. For instance, if one team member is tasked with preparing a presentation and another with data analysis, accountability ensures that both roles are fulfilled on time. Goals that align with organizational objectives ensure that your team's efforts contribute to the company's success. When team members see the connection between their work and the larger mission, it fosters a sense of purpose and cohesion. For instance, if the company's priority is sustainability, aligning team goals like reduce paper usage by 50% within 6 months directly supports this vision. The SMART framework is a powerful tool for setting effective goals. Let's delve into each element. The S is for specific. Goals should be clear and precise, answering the questions of who, what, when, where, and why. Ambiguity leads to confusion and inefficiency. For example, instead of saying improve team productivity, you can set a specific goal like increase weekly production output by 10% within 2 months. Measurable. Establish criteria to measure progress and determine success. Measurable goals help track achievement and maintain focus. For example, complete 10 client follow-ups each week provides a clear metric to evaluate performance. Without measurement, challenging to determine whether a goal has been achieved. Achievable. While goals should be challenging, they must also be realistic. Setting unattainable goals can demotivate your team. For instance, aiming to double revenue in a week might overwhelm your team, but increasing it by 10% over 3 months is more feasible. Relevant. Goals should align with team priorities and organizational objectives. For example, if the company's focus is customer retention, Setting a goal to improve client follow-up processes directly supports this. Irrelevant goals divert energy from what truly matters. Time-bound. Assigning deadlines creates urgency and ensures accountability. A goal without a time frame can lose momentum. For example, launch the new product by March 31st. Establish a clear endpoint and drives timely progress. Aligning team and individual goals with organizational objectives. Effective managers ensure that team and individual goals align seamlessly with organizational priorities. Understanding organizational priorities. Before setting goals, understand the company's strategic objectives. For example, if the company aims to expand into new markets, your team might focus on researching regional trends or building partnerships. Clarity about these priorities ensures your team efforts are relevant and impactful. Translating organizational goals to team objectives. Break down broader company objectives into actionable team goals. For instance, if the company's goal is to improve customer service ratings, your team's objective could involve reducing response times or improving training programs for service representatives. Setting individual goals. Each team member plays a crucial role in achieving collective success. For example, if a team's goal is to increase customer satisfaction, one member could focus on addressing complaints promptly, while another refines training materials. These individual tasks collectively contribute to the larger team objective. Balancing team and individual goals. Balancing team objectives with individual growth fosters both engagement and productivity. Understanding each team member's strengths and aspirations allows you to set goals that align with their potential. For example, if a team member excels in communication, there could be tasks with client-facing responsibilities, while also developing their negotiating skills. Encourage team members to take on roles or projects that align with their career goals. For instance, if someone wants to develop leadership skills, you could assign them to lead a small project. This benefits their professional growth and contributes to team success. Steps to setting goals and objectives. Start with organizational objectives. Begin by identifying how your team can contribute to the company's strategic priorities. For example, if cost reduction is a priority, your team's objective could focus on process optimization. Involve the team. Engage your team in goal-setting discussions. This ensures buy-in and fosters ownership. For example, a brainstorming session can reveal creative ways to achieve a challenging objective. Break down large goals. Divide overarching goals into smaller actionable tasks. For example, if the goal is to launch a new software feature, smaller tasks could include user research, prototype design, testing, and deployment. Set SMART goals. Ensure all objectives meet SMART criteria. For example, instead of saying improve performance, a SMART goal would be something like increase customer satisfaction scores by 5% within 6 months by implementing a new feedback system. Communicate clearly. Explain the purpose and importance of goals. For instance, share how achieving the goal will contribute to the company's success and benefit team members. Monitor progress regularly. Conduct regular check-ins to track progress, offer support, and make adjustments as needed. For example, weekly progress reports can highlight challenges and keep the team on track. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Setting vague or unrealistic goals. Ambiguous goals lead to confusion, while unrealistic goals demotivate. Use SMART criteria to ensure clarity and feasibility. Ignoring individual aspirations. Overlooking personal development can result in disengagement. Have regular one-on-one meetings to align personal growth with team objectives. Failing to revisit and adjust goals. Circumstances change and goals may need adjustments. Regularly review and update objectives to ensure they remain relevant and achievable.